Good morning, crafty friends. So I'm back to show you a haul I did on yarns. I went to Connecticut to visit my daughters. Then when I went over there, I did stop at Christmas Tree Shop and I did find some Lion brand yarn for $1.99. So I grabbed some. So I want to share with you girls what I got there. And then I want to share with your crafty friends. I want to share the yarn I got when I went to Dollar Tree, Joann's, and Hobby Lobby when I went to Florida like a week ago. So I'm gonna start with the Christmas tree one. So I have this one. It's called the Summer Kiss collection, and it has 262 yard, and it's a medium number 4, and it's called jaded or let me see if it focuses. Okay, well, Jada. So I have two of these, and then I have two blue ones. This is called Raspberry, and they were just $1.99. And they're made with I'm gonna tell you right now. It's 80% cotton and 20% polyester. It's really, really nice, this yarn. So then I got the lemon one. That's what it's called. So I got that one. I got the purple one. Is called grape raisin. It's called. And then I got the papaya one. This one is called papaya. You see how pretty it is? So I grabbed these. They were just $1.99. So I grabbed these. And now this is when I went to Connecticut. So now I want to show you what I got at Dollar Tree when I went to Florida. So I found the soft pastel color ones. So I got this one, which is mint color, the mint. I got the light blue, 2 of each. And then I got the yellow one. This is what it's called, the yellow one, but it's pastel color. And then I got the pink one. So yeah, these I got at Dollar Tree. This was like, that's what they really just had. So I just grabbed that. Then I went to, this was in Florida. And then I went to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby, basically, I just went to get, I went to check some yarn, I think it was. I don't know what it was, but I know I just grabbed a couple of things. So I just found this yarn at, in Hobby Lobby. Yeah, and I'm going to show you. Okay, so I got this one. Is soft and sleek, low pill fiber. It was $3.99. It was on clearance for 99 cents. So I got this one and this color, which is, let me see if I can see the color really quick. It's oh my god, I can't even see the color, girls. Arbord on I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, I brought 3 of this one because it was 99 cents. So I brought 3 of these. And then I got 2 of this one. This I went to another Hobby Lobby and I found this one. It was 99 cents too. So I grabbed 2. Fall is coming, so now I want to do these ponchos. So I think it'll work for that. Then I found these. The only thing I found was like these little, I'm gonna show you. This goes over there. I found these T-roll tape sew in labels. It says stitch with love, 100% handmade, authentic, and with I don't know what it says, the last one, created with care. Yeah, so I got this package. I don't know if you really could see because of the light, but yeah, the glare. So I got 2 of these. They had like 30%, 20% off, I think it was. Then I found these little friend charms. You could use them like for journals or keychains, or So I got 1, 2. This one is hearts and donuts, clouds and suns. So I got two. I got four of them. I got one of each. So yeah, I got that. Then I needed these eyelids. So I got gold ones and silver ones. And then the only thing I brought was this, which it was like, I think it was like $1 because it was on the clearance rack. That's all I got. They basically didn't have nothing, like none of that clearance, none of that paper clearance stuff, nothing. I couldn't find nothing at all. But it's okay because I have so much stuff, you know, us as crafters and crocheters, we have so much stuff that, you know, you really need to use it because if not, it's just going to stay there. So then I went to Joann's, and Joann's, I went and got some yarn, which I got the Super Save, the Red Heart Super Saver. They were, I think these are $4 something, and they were on sale for $2.99. So I got this one, which is mint color. I got the light sage color. It's so pretty. I got the bright yellow. These I want because I do have a lot of the twist ones, but I feel that this kind is better to do the amigurumis. So yeah, I have white. I have this baby light periwinkle, it's called. And then I have the buff, the beige. It's called beige. I don't know. So I got that one. And then I have this one, which is light raspberry. So I have raspberry, beige, a blue, this one, the white one, the yellow one, the green, and the mint. This is what I got at Joann's. I can't find, I know I have it somewhere, but I can't find a bag. I brought a bunch of safety eyes, so I brought like size 6, size 9, size 12. I brought like 6 or 7 packs for my amigurumis. So I know I got them somewhere, but I can't find them. So then when I came back home to Puerto Rico, I went Sunday to Walmart and I got some more Saver, but over here they don't have sales. Like this is regular price. This is $4.97 over here in Puerto Rico. So I got this one, is called medium time. So I got this one. Well, I have 2 of them because I want to do 2 ponchos for fall. And I got this other one. Look at how little, and it's still $4.99. I can't believe it. Usually this in Joann's, or yeah, basically in Joann's, they are $3.99, I think it is. And when they're on sale, you get them for $2.99. So the ones I got, they were $2.99, not $3.99, $2.99. And then this one is called Fall Autumn. Fall is called. So I want to mix them together like this because I want to do a poncho. I want to do one for me because we're planning to go to Tennessee. Where is it? Nashville, Tennessee. That's where my husband wants to go. So I want to do me a little poncho, to take it instead of taking like a thicker sweater or something. So I want to do that. So I got these to do the poncho. So then I want to show you girls the little newborn poncho I did, which it fits like a newborn, or like 0 to like 2 or 3 weeks old. So I did this little poncho. Let me lift up a little bit the camera, just a little bit. There it goes. Look, it's so stinking cute. So I did, this is my first try. So it did came out. So I did this one with pink, gray, and white. And I use, with this one, I used this yarn that I have brought in Big Lots. Is it Big Lot? No, Ocean State Job Lot. And I brought them for $1.99. So it was this color that I used, this gray one. And it's really soft, this gray one. I have white one that I use. Because when I went last year, I racked up on all of these. I brought so much of them. So now I'm starting to use them, and I got the pink. So I did this. This what I used to do the poncho. And then I did this little amigurumi. She is so stinking cute. This is the first time I tried, and I love the way it came out. I followed the video. I think I did pretty good for being the first one. So I did this amigurumi from one girl. I watched the girl's tutorial on YouTube. And then I did the first time I tried the turtle. I loved the way everything came out here. But you see this one I used with the with twist yarn. The twist from Joann's. But I feel that it's very like fuzzy or something like that. So I think Savor is better because Savor doesn't have like all these little scritchy, like all these little hairs standing. So this is the first one I did. I did a second one and I gave it to my husband's friends because he's a turtle, how you call that, like he takes care of turtles and stuff. So I did him one. I put the pictures in Instagram. It's really, really cute. And I did a jellyfish. I did a key change with a jellyfish too. So they came out really nice. So now I'm into the amigurumis and the ponchos. I do a little bit of everything. I'm into everything. I don't like just to be stuck with one thing only. I get bored too quick. So then, out of all of this that I did all these. I want to show you a couple of years ago, years ago, probably like 5 or 6 or 7 years ago, even more, I think. I had brought a kid and I did a Reborn baby. I don't know if you guys know what's the Reborn baby. If not, you could look up videos. They show you they're babies, plastic vinyl babies. They're just blank, no color, no nothing. You have to buy it, you color it, you do everything to it. You do it with special paints, Genesis paints, and you do it, you know, with certain paints. There's certain ovens you got to use because you can't use your house oven because it's toxic, whatever. So then if you don't have them expensive paints, then you could use acrylic paints, which is, you could get that in any store. You could get them any store. You could get acrylic paints. So I don't have an oven. I don't have the Genesis paint. I'm not going to get Genesis paint because I don't have that oven. So now I'm saving up to buy the oven that I need, and then I'm going to buy the good paint. But for me, it came out nice. I want to show you the kit I brought. This is the Certificate of Authenticity, Rosalie by Olga Ur. So this is what the kit looks like. This is what the baby looks like. You know, when she did it, this is how it looks. And I'm going to show you what I did. So, I don't know, probably a lot of people freaks out. I mean, that's just normal. Everybody has their own opinion. So, look at the baby I did. Look at her. So, if you really look at her, you see? Let me see. I just want you guys to see the face. You see the face? So I did put pictures before, but I think I fixed it and I think it looks way more real. So I did her. I painted her hair. This is the first time, mind you. I'd never done none of this. So I did paint her hair. I did her like little bangs in the front. You see? I did little bangs in the front. I put her little bow on. And then this is what she looks like. You see? Oh, I wish... Let me see if I could bring it up a little bit more. You see? She literally looks like a real baby. So I did it. I love the way it came out. It's the first time not the first time, my second time I did one. You see her arms? So yeah. So what I did was, I brought the kit. I paint her. I did it with acrylic paint. I brought everything that you basically need with the acrylic paint. And bam, there she goes. So I got another kit, which is coming next week. And I want to work on it, but I'm going to do that one acrylic too. And hopefully by December, something like that, I buy my oven and I buy the other ones. And then once I keep on getting better and better, yeah, these are going to be for sale. Not this one because this is my first one. But when I keep on doing more, I'm going to have them for sale. So yes, girls, thank you for sharing. And I hope this is not creepy because a lot of people feel this, oh, that's so creepy. It's just a hobby. You know, it's a hobby. So Well, girls, that will be all for now. I guess I'll see you in my next video. And thank you for watching. And let's see what I do. And when I finish my new poncho, I'll put it up a video so you guys can see it. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a blessed day. Bye bye.